Welcome to AlemHealth Connect. In this video, we'll guide you through the AI-generated study and ICD tags feature, designed to automatically suggest relevant study tags and ICD codes after you write and save a report as a final report, helping you categorize and manage cases more effectively. Once you've completed writing your report and saved it as final report, AlemHealth Connect's AI analyzes the study and automatically generates relevant study tags and ICD codes based on your findings. Once the report is saved as final, a new section labeled Suggested AI Tags will appear in the Study Details page. This section includes both study tags, for example, pneumonia, and relevant ICD tags that classify the condition, such as J18.9 for pneumonia. After reviewing the AI-generated tags, you can choose to accept, modify, or discard them. These AI-suggested tags help you organize the study based on detected findings and ensure proper classification for future retrieval and reporting. You can further customize the tags by manually editing or adding additional tags in the Suggested AI Tags section. This flexibility ensures that you can organize studies in a way that best fits your workflow. The AI-generated study and ICD tags feature enhances your workflow by automatically tagging studies after the report is finalized. This saves you time and helps you quickly identify and prioritize cases based on AI-detected findings and standardized ICD codes. Thanks for watching. The AI-generated study and ICD tags feature in AlemHealth Connect is designed to streamline study management and reporting. For more information or support, feel free to contact us. Start using AI-generated tags today to improve your workflow and enhance study organization.